Hey guys and girls. I hope everyone is doing well. I've got just a couple important pieces of information for you. The first is regarding your grades. Hopefully you've already received this information, but if not, then this will be helpful for you. The school has adopted a pass-fail system for the spring semester reporting period, which means that if you have anywhere between an A or a D in any of your classes, they will be reported as a P or a pass. If you have an F, that obviously would show up as an F or a fail. Pass-fail systems do not calculate towards your GPA, so it will neither have a positive impact nor a negative impact. If you are someone who is applying for a school or educational program that uses GPA as a qualifying factor, then you may want to consider sticking with your actual letter grade for your report card. And you can do that. Your parents have to opt you into that. So your parents have to contact the school and say, hey, I would like my child to retain his or her letter grade on their spring semester report card. Your parents have until June 4th to do that. And if you're someone who has like an A or a B, then you probably want to keep your letter grade. Kind of going hand in hand with that, any work that you complete for distance learning can help your grade. Nothing that you do during distance learning can actually hurt your grade. So if you would like to continue to bring your grade up, then continue to complete those distance learning assignments. And I am slowly but surely getting those into the grade book. And then kind of along with that, we are going to have one exam for sophomores. It'll be just on World War II. For seniors, it will be a cumulative exam. So most likely it'll be multiple choice, and it will cover for seniors content from the beginning of the school year to the end, or the beginning of the semester to the end, up until now. So it will most likely be done on Elluminate. It'll be an open book, open note test. And I believe I will be giving that out or pushing it out on the week of May 25th. Everything has to be submitted by May 29th. So if you are someone, particularly a senior who still has an F in my class, you are going to fail, and you need that class to graduate. So please don't think that just because we're under, some unprecedented circumstances that we are going to excuse anyone who has an F. So please, 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 seniors, if you have an F in my class, take a look at what's missing, get it turned in, and bring your grade up. Please contact me if you have any questions. I hope you all are not going crazy. I'm going a little crazy for sure. But we know this is what's best for everyone, right? So hang in there, and I miss you guys. And as always, contact me if you have any questions.